everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kathy from Creative KitKat. Yeah, so I feel so productive over the past 2 weeks because I'm finally starting to finish some of the gifts that some of the diamond paintings that I was thinking of giving out as gifts over the Christmas. Yeah, so I actually finished 5 of them, and then sorry, 4 of them, and then one of them is a request by a friend. So here are some of the things that I have finished. I'm quite excited, guys, because I feel so proud that I'm able to finish these paintings, and I was able to actually customize them to add some more sparklers, rhinestones, and AB drills wherever I can, wherever I think I should accent or highlight certain portions of the painting. And I wanted to show you this. So I know you guys have seen me do the, what do you call this, the whip and chat of this particular painting, and this is the finish. So look, so let me put it there so you guys can see how clear they are. And I have actually sprinkled AB drills and sparklers all over the white portions of the background. And then of course here is where I have actually made the love word, and you can see how clear it came out. So I've actually made 2 of them because I have 2 friends who are actually into succulents, and one of them I made into yellow, using the yellow sparklers, AB drills for that. And then the other one is exactly the same, except this one I've actually used a green AB. There you go. It's exactly the same. Just the color of the AB that I used is different. Yes. So I'm quite excited to see what their reactions will be once I've given them these diamond paintings to them. So let me set them aside. Let me set that aside, and then I want to show you this painting. Yeah, so this painting is actually a request. It is a painting that was requested to be made by me, by a friend, because they're into musicals and plays and stuff like that. So I thought because this actually reminds me of the Phantom of the Opera. And what I did with this particular painting was to incorporate AB drills right over here. It's so shiny. Yeah, there you go. You could see the difference. Those are the AB drills that I've changed. And then on the lady's face as well, these are all AB drills. And then of course on the hair, you can see the contrast of the AB drills compared to the regular drills. The AB drills are so shiny. So for people who don't know what AB drills are, they are actually Aurora Borealis. They are called Aurora Borealis drills. So they are actually an iridescent sheen that is added on top of the drill to make it sparkle a little bit more. So that's the reason why you can see some of the drills are actually popping out compared to regular drills. So actually on the lips as well, that's what I did with a portion of the lips. It's also popping on the top and the bottom portions of the lip. So overall, this is how it looked like from afar. Yeah, so I felt that this is a painting that since they were the ones who actually chose this painting, I felt that this actually speaks to them a lot. well, their personality and how their family are. Yeah, so, wow, from afar, you can't see the difference in the colors of the drills, but up close, it's actually not white. They are not white drills. Yeah, so there you go. Oh, this one is so shiny. I really, really like this particular photo. And I know, I think this photo is also an original artwork by Mandy Manzano. However, this was a request from a friend, so I have no idea. This is what they requested from me. So there you go. Let me set that aside. And then take a look at another one. So this is something that you guys already seen me done before. So it is also, this is the diamond painting that I was working on during my live stream. So this is the first during my first live stream. This was the diamond painting that I was working on. It says be a light to the world. So I think the sparkler that I used blended too well with the lamp, the blue hues of the lamp. That's why you couldn't really see. However, here you can be a light, you can read that, but the is actually very hard to see. And I actually had to adjust. I actually had to work on adjusting the letters onto that portion at the bottom. Yeah, so I think it looked really well except for that portion, to the world. I don't know how else you could fix that unless I have to change the entire thing. But I don't want to do that. I think my friend will still enjoy this particular painting when they receive it. There you go. And then the last one is this. It's actually a blackboard style of painting, and it says welcome friends. And again, I used my AB drills there, and you can see which area. So I only use them on the swirls, where else? Oh, not on the words itself, but the swirls there, and the ones at the middle. That's the only place where I actually incorporated AB drills. So there you go, guys. And it was actually quite fun to do all of them. So most of the ones that I've already finished, I didn't actually had any problems with their drills. There are quite a lot leftovers. And however, there are some paintings that I actually had to I had more trash drills than the rest. So most of them are quite okay, except for the one that looks like the Phantom of the Opera. And then the sides of that particular painting is actually had yellow glue. So I was like, so it looks like that particular painting had been in the shelves probably for a long time, maybe a few years before I got the order. So maybe that's the reason why the glue turned yellow. And that's also the reason why I actually had to cover the sides with the washi tape. Yeah, so most of them I actually didn't have any problems. I didn't bother showing you the leftover drills anymore because I actually had to keep them already. And most of the paintings actually had DMC code. The DMC code could be on the, if they're not on the canvas, they're actually on the bags of the drills itself. There's I think only one painting that didn't have any DMC code, and then the rest are has them. That's the reason why I've already kept them in my long-term storage and didn't even bother to show them to you guys. So I actually enjoyed making them especially the last week. I actually finished 3 of them just this last week, and I was quite excited to show them off to you guys. Yeah, so I still have, I think, about 8 more to go, 7 or 8 more that I need to finish before Christmas. So cross my fingers, guys, crossing my fingers that I actually can finish everything before December, because I still want to finish the ones that I've actually set aside. I will be uploading them quite soon. My works in progress that I'm currently doing, and I really want to finish them. Yeah, to show off to you guys how the drills are as well from those 2 different suppliers. Yeah. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos, and thank you for supporting my channel. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Remember to sparkle like no other. Bye!